Hello students, welcome to the channel Educational Era. Today in this video we will talk about meaning of psychology and branches of psychology. First of all, what is psychology? Psychology was defined as the science of mind. The activity of mind cannot be externally observable, so psychology was defined later as the science of human behavior. Coming towards the branches of psychology, we now have child psychology, abnormal psychology, social psychology, educational psychology, counseling psychology, industrial psychology, and many other psychologies developed from the basic psychology. As a teacher trainee, you may be interested more in educational psychology and a few other allied branches, namely social psychology, developmental psychology, and counseling psychology. That's all for today in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to Educational Era.